What really happens when you start eating fish consistently for just 2 weeks? Will your heart improve? Will inflammation decrease? Will your brain function change? Or is it just another nutrition trend? Fish has long been considered one of the healthiest foods on the planet. But what actually happens inside your body when you eat it regularly? Today we're breaking it down, system by system. What happens when you eat fish consistently for 14 days? Let's begin. 1. Your cardiovascular system may improve. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. Within 2 weeks, omega-3 levels in your bloodstream begin to rise. This can reduce triglyceride levels, improve blood vessel flexibility, support healthier blood pressure regulation, and reduce inflammatory markers linked to heart disease. Omega-3s help make blood vessels more elastic and less prone to stiffness. This improves circulation efficiency. For many individuals, measurable triglyceride changes can begin within 14 days. 2. Your inflammation levels may decrease. Chronic low-grade inflammation is linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, joint pain, cognitive decline. Omega-3 fatty acids help shift your body toward producing fewer pro-inflammatory compounds. Within 2 weeks, inflammatory signaling pathways may begin to calm, especially if your previous diet was high in processed foods. This doesn't mean inflammation disappears. It means your internal inflammatory balance may begin improving. 3. Your brain function may become more supported. DHA is a structural fat in your brain, plays a key role in a neuronal membrane fluidity, a neurotransmitter signaling, cognitive performance. After 2 weeks of regular fish intake, brain cell membranes may incorporate more DHA. A mental clarity may improve. A mood stability may strengthen. Some people report improved focus or reduced brain fog, particularly if their baseline omega-3 intake was low. 4. Your mood may stabilize. Omega-3s are strongly linked to mood regulation. Research shows that adequate intake supports a serotonin signaling, a reduced neuroinflammation, improved stress response. Within 2 weeks, subtle mood stabilization may occur, especially in individuals with low omega-3 status. This is not an instant antidepressant effect. It is gradual neurochemical support. 5. Your muscle recovery may improve. Fish provides high-quality complete protein. Few are physically active. A muscle repair efficiency may improve. Post-exercise soreness may reduce. Recovery time may shorten. Omega-3s may also reduce exercise-induced inflammation. This combination supports performance and recovery. 6. Your insulin sensitivity may improve. Omega-3 fatty acids influence how cells respond to insulin. Within 2 weeks, cell membrane fluidity improves. A insulin receptor function may become more efficient. A blood sugar regulation may stabilize. This is especially helpful for individuals with insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome. 7. Your blood lipid profile may shift. Fish intake often leads to a lower triglycerides, a slight increase in HDL, good cholesterol, potential improvement in LDL particle size. Larger LDL particles are generally considered less harmful than small dense LDL particles. 2 weeks is enough time to begin seeing measurable lipid changes in some individuals. 8. Your liver may process fat more efficiently. Omega-3 fatty acids influence liver fat metabolism. Within 2 weeks, fat oxidation in the liver may increase. Fat accumulation may decrease. A liver enzyme levels may begin stabilizing. Regular fish intake is associated with lower risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease when combined with an overall healthy diet. 9. Your immune system may become more regulated. Omega-3s help modulate immune function. They do not simply boost immunity. They help regulate it. Within 2 weeks, cytokine balance may improve. Excessive inflammatory immune responses may reduce. Immune signaling may become more controlled. This supports a more balanced immune environment. 10. Your cellular function may improve at a microscopic level. Every cell membrane in your body is made of fat. When you eat omega-3 rich fish, EPA and DHA incorporate into cell membranes. A membrane fluidity improves. A hormone and receptor signaling becomes more efficient. This affects brain communication, a muscle contraction, hormone sensitivity, insulin signaling. These changes begin at the cellular level, often before you feel obvious symptoms. 11. Your gut microbiome may shift. Emerging research shows omega-3 intake may increase beneficial gut bacteria, reduce intestinal inflammation, strengthen gut barrier integrity. Your gut communicates with your immune system and brain. Improving gut balance can have wide systemic effects. 12. Your vitamin D status may improve. Fatty fish naturally contains vitamin D. If you were previously low, serum vitamin D levels may begin rising. Immune regulation may improve. Bone health support may strengthen. 2 weeks won't fully correct deficiency, but it can initiate improvement. 13. Your overall nutrient density increases. Fish provides selenium, iodine, B vitamins, high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids. Replacing processed foods with fish increases overall diet quality. And diet quality drives long-term health outcomes. Are there risks? Yes, but context matters. Caution may be needed if you consume high-mercury fish excessively. You have certain seafood allergies. You eat fish deep-fried in processed oils. Better options include grilled, baked, steamed, lightly pan-seared in healthy fats. Variety also matters. Rotating fish types reduces mercury exposure risk. The bigger picture. 2 weeks of eating fish will not transform your health overnight, but it can begin measurable internal shifts. Improved triglycerides, a reduced inflammatory signaling, better membrane function, a more efficient cellular communication. Health is cumulative. Consistency matters more than extremes. So what happens when you eat fish for 2 weeks? You may experience better cardiovascular markers, reduced inflammation, improved brain support, stabilized mood, enhanced recovery, improved insulin response, healthier lipid balance, a liver fat regulation, immune modulation, improved cellular signaling. Not magic, not hype, just physiology responding to better nutrient input. Nutrition is not about trends. It's about understanding how your systems respond. This is the System Clinic, where we break health down system by system. Would you try eating fish consistently for 2 weeks? Let me know in the comments section. And if you value system-based, evidence-informed health education, subscribe to the System Clinic for more breakdowns like this.